everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got 2 days worth of sales on Posh. I want to show you what I sold and how much I earned after all my fees. Alright, so let's just get into it. The first thing that I sold is a Hot Shapers kind of sweat belt. I got this for 50 cents out of a liquidation box a long time ago. $2.05 is what I earned. And so if I take my 50 cents off, $1.55 are my in-pocket profits. And this is all after fees and after shipping. So these are the numbers that I actually made. Here is a swimsuit I just got from a new liquidator I'm working with. This was $2, $17.40 is what I earned. And so $15.40 are my in-pocket profits off of that one swimsuit. That was a really good sale for me. Then I've got some really cute Paris earrings. I bought them for $1 actually from China. And so $5.05 is what I earned. So $4.05 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then my next item is a pair of Mad Love faux fur slippers, size 9. I got those for $2 out of a liquidation box. $4.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then my next thing I have is a bundle, and I love my bundles because I usually make more and then it costs less for the customer to buy. And so this is a Without Tags new Liz Claiborne V-neck sweater. So this was actually $1. And then I have these Adolfo Justin men's slip-on dress shoes, size 7.5, very sharp looking. And so those were $4 out of a liquidation box. So I have $5 total invested in this particular bundle. $15.80 is what I earned. And so where'd my marker go? There it goes. My in-pocket profits is $10.80 on that bundle alone. You can see why I like bundles. All right, then my next item is this very large sports bra. It's actually a cup size H, which is hard to come by, and so I have found that those sizes usually sell really well, the plus size bras. And so I actually bought that at Savers, which is a thrift store. It was in fantastic condition. $3 is what I paid for it. $20 is what I earned. So $17 are my in-pocket profits on that. And then my next item that I sold is a pair of Rizzoli Linda cold weather boots, size 10. I paid $4 for this out of a liquidation one. And then I actually only earned $1.25. And so I went negative, let me see, $4 minus $1.25 would be negative $2.25. So I may have done the math wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alrighty, and then my next item is a really nice sweatshirt that I wish I would have kept for myself had I remembered I had it. This was $2 out of a liquidation box. It's a faded fleece line hooded jacket. $2 is what I paid for it. $9.05 is what I earned. So $7.05 are my in-pocket profits. Then I have this tie. It's a classic Mervyn's striped tie. 25 cents is what I paid. $2.05 is what I earned. 25 cents is where I got it out of the Goodwill outlet. And so they sell things by the pound. So I always calculate 25 cents on ties because they don't hardly weigh anything. So $2.05, which means I made $1.80 minus my 25 cents. Then these are my favorite. I bought these on my thrift store Savers tour. If you haven't seen that, you have to check it out. These are colorful Madden Girls, size 8.5. Madden Girl. They're actually women's shoes. 8.5 fabric wedges. They're huge wedges and super fun. And so those I actually bought for $3 at Savers. I earned $10.05, so $7.05 are my in-pocket earnings. And that was after fees and after shipping, the price there. The next item that I sold is this white Lane Bryant top, 18 to 20. It actually came right out of my own closet. And so $3.25 is what I earned. And so I get to keep all of that $3.25 if I could write. All right, and then my next item is a really cute scarf. It's a purple indigo colored scarf. And so that one I actually paid $1 out of a liquidation box for, but I lost money on it because I just needed to get it off my store. So I only earned 5 cents. And so I'm actually negative 95 cents on that one because I wasn't paying attention and I gave it too low of a discount. So, and then my next item that I have is a pair of really cute universal thread kind of tan strappy sandals. I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for that one from Bulq.com, and $7.05 is what I earned, so $3.05 are my in-pocket earnings for that one. And then I love bundles. You know me and my bundles. I've got a pair of DC Comics Batgirl underwear, and so I paid 50 cents for that. And then I have this really cute two-piece navy lined bikini that I also paid 50 cents for, and so $1 is what I have invested. $19 is what I made on that bundle. So my in-pocket profit is $18 on that bundle. You can definitely see why I love my bundles. All right, then the next one is, I clicked back too many things on my phone here. The next item I have that I sold is a Braveman double-breasted jacket. Let me get back to my spot here. Alrighty, is a new with tags Braveman double-breasted jacket, size XXL. This was $4 out of a liquidation box. It's brand new in fantastic condition, and I made 20 bucks in earnings, and so minus my $4, $16 is what I made on that jacket, which I'm super excited about. And then I've got a really big bundle of 6 items, so I'm going to show you all 6 of the items. I've got a pair of Five Nights at Freddy's glasses. I've got a pair of Minions sunglasses. I've got a pair of Avengers sunglasses. And then this must have been a really fun person who bought this stuff. And then I've got a pair, a Daffy Duck men's silk tie. And then I've got a Christmas Santa Claus men's silk tie. And then I've got a Mickey Mouse, vintage Mickey Mouse silk tie. And so between all of those things, I've got about $1 invested in all of the ties, and then $3 invested in each one, $1 a piece for the pair of sunglasses. So I've got $4 total invested. My earnings were $20, so I made another $16 on that bundle. And the reason why I'll have so little invested in the ties is because those are ties that I bought from the Goodwill outlet. So they're bought by the pound. All right, the next thing I have are these really, really cute blue shoes. And so these are $2 out of a liquidation box. $11.80 is what I earned. So $9.80 are my in-pocket earnings. And then the next one is another bundle. I love bundles. Okay. So this top here is a Colorful Love by Chelsea Shark Bite tunic top. I think they call it Shark Bite because the bottom of the hem is kind of like this. And so that was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. And this also was, this was from a liquidation box, so it was $1. It's an Inc. International Concepts purple V-neck shirt top. So I have $1.50 invested. $5.05 is what I earned. And so let me see, $4.50, $3.55 are my in-pocket earnings after that. All right, then the next thing I have is another one of these green swimsuits. And I paid $2 for them. It's a size XXL. It's a tankini with some shorts. And so $2 for that. My earnings were $15 on that. So $13 for that one tankini. So that's from a new liquidator that I found that I am still kind of trying out. So I'll let you know who it is once I figure out if it's a good one or not. So here's a lacy East Fifth top. Looks good for casual or dress. It's a tan in color. That was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. $1.25 is what I earned. And so 75 cents are my in-pocket profits for that one piece. Then I've got a pair of Champion C9 new with tags sneakers, size 8. These were $2 out of a liquidation box. $5.25 is what I earned. So $3.25 are my in-pocket profits for those pair of shoes. Then I've got my I've got a pair of boots here. I'm going to move this out of the way. So the next thing that I have is these Olivia Miller boots. They sold, and I already put it up on the board, $4.05. I was fixing the camera because it went blurry on me. So $6.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. So $4.05 right here is what I earned on that. And then I've got this Hot Edition wool blend shawl wrap coat, and it's an extra large. So I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for that. $16 is what I earned. So $12 are my in-pocket profits. And then the last thing on my list is a pair of kids' shoes. I got a bunch in a bulk case that I've been selling. And so $2 is what I paid for these cute little surprise stride right with memory foams, kind of slip-on toddler girl sandals. $14.40 is what I earned. And so $12.40. I see lots of big numbers on the screen this time, and so I'm going to add everything up, let you know what exactly everything costs and how many orders I had. All right, everybody, I don't have my cameraman today, and so I was recording this with a tripod, so I apologize for the few times that it did go blurry, but I added everything up, and $178.85 is what I earned for these 2 days worth of Poshmark, and 24 separate orders is what I came up with. So hopefully this has been helpful to see what I sold on 2 days worth of Poshmark sales, and you can definitely make some good money. $178. I had some big boppers here, and I sold lots of bundles, and so I love selling bundles. Hopefully this has been helpful to see what you can sell on Poshmark in 2 days. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.